Imagine a courtroom where the judge isn't a person, but an algorithm, a place where justice is delivered not by a gavel, but by lines of code. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's happening right now in the small Baltic nation of Estonia. In 2019, this digital powerhouse quietly launched a revolutionary experiment, an AI-powered robot judge. This system isn't just an advisor, it's a decision maker tasked with resolving real civil disputes, making Estonia the first country in the world to hand the digital gavel to artificial intelligence. So why would a country do this? It boils down to two things: necessity and innovation. Estonia, already known as the world's most advanced digital society, was facing a huge backlog of small claims cases disputes under €7,000 over things like unpaid bills or broken contracts. These cases were clogging up the courts and draining valuable time. Instead of just hiring more human judges, Estonia's Ministry of Justice took a radical step forward. Their goal wasn't to replace humans entirely, but to free them up from routine, repetitive cases so they could focus on more complex legal matters. So, how does this robot judge actually work? Well, it doesn't wear a robe or sit in a courtroom. Instead, the process starts online. A claimant uploads all their documents, contracts, emails, payment records into a secure digital system. The AI then gets to work. It analyzes all the submitted evidence, cross-references it with existing laws and past legal precedents. And then, based on this analysis, it issues a legally binding verdict. But here's the crucial part. If either party disagrees with the AI's decision, they have the absolute right to appeal to a human judge. This human oversight is a critical safeguard, ensuring that technology serves justice, not the other way around. This incredible feat was only possible because of Estonia's world-class digital infrastructure, known as e-residency. For years, Estonian citizens have used digital ID cards for nearly everything from voting and paying taxes to accessing their health records. Their court systems were already digitized, with legal documents secured on a blockchain-based platform called adjudicate. The AI judge was built on top of this existing foundation, a collaboration between the government's own tech experts and private legal tech companies. To calm public fears about a black box making decisions, the government made a promise: the AI's code would be completely transparent and auditable. Legal experts can actually trace the algorithm's steps to see exactly how it reached its verdict. The public reaction was, as you might expect, a mix of hope, skepticism, and a little bit of fear. Many Estonians, already comfortable with digital services, welcomed the idea of faster, more efficient justice. Others worried about losing the human touch, the empathy and understanding that a human judge can bring. Lawyers feared it might reduce the need for their services in smaller cases. But supporters had a powerful counter-argument. Human judges can be biased and make mistakes too. An AI, in theory, judges a case based purely on the facts and the law, without personal feelings or external pressures getting in the way. The results so far have been impressive. In its initial testing phase, the AI judge resolved hundreds of cases in a fraction of the time it would take a human court. Some decisions were delivered in less than 24 hours. The administrative costs for the courts dropped, and human judges reported feeling less burnt out. And perhaps most tellingly, over 94% of the AI's verdicts were accepted without an appeal, suggesting a growing public trust in the system's fairness and convenience. Of course, this experiment has also sparked a major debate across Europe and the world. Can an AI truly understand the nuances of a case? Who is liable if an AI makes a mistake: the programmer, the government, or the algorithm itself? Countries like China, the UAE, and the UK are now closely studying Estonia's model. Estonia's robot judge is more than just a piece of technology. It's a philosophical challenge to the very idea of justice. It forces us to ask whether justice is something only humans can deliver, or if it can also be computed. Estonia is writing the first chapter of this story, and the world is watching to see if this bold experiment becomes the future of law. Thanks for watching. What do you think? Is an AI judge a step forward for justice, or a dangerous path to take? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories on how technology is changing our world. See you next time.